Welcome back to Vic's Projects, everyone. I hope you're well. Today we're going to pick up where we left off last time. So if you didn't see that, click the thing where we took the engine out of our Jaguar MK2. Now the engine is off with the guys to get rebuilt. So we're going to clean up our engine bay so it's all nice and shiny for when the new engine arrives. So let's get stuck in. Now, before we get ahead of ourselves tearing everything out of this engine bay, it's a really good idea to take a load of pictures before you start. That way, when you come back in a couple of months and you can't remember where anything went, you've got some pictures to refer to. Now, because it's spaghettis everywhere, I'm going to start with the wiring loom. And our next thing to remove is this dog's dinner of copper lines. We're going to have to do something better when we put it all back in. Well, we've managed to get pretty much everything out of this engine bay, and it only took about 5 evenings, lots of swearing, sheared bolts, drilling, and lots of mucking about. But we got there. We're ready now to start grinding away all this horrible old paint so that we can freshen it up and make her look lovely. Now, I've got my nice shiny new garage that I've just cleaned, and I don't really want to get it really mucky. So let's take this outside. Of course it is. Oh. Now we've done lots of grinding, made a huge mess. It's time to put a little bit of rust converter on all those little bits of surface rust. I'm then going to protect the metal with some primer, and from there we can figure out what we're going to do next. Now that I've primed the engine bay, I can go round and see which bits I want to clean up. However, we're going to have to stop it there because I've had a call from the engine builders. They've raced ahead, or I've been dragging my feet. So they've already pulled the engine completely to bits and they've got it on a table ready for me to go have a look. So we're going to finish this episode here. I hope you enjoyed it. And the next one, we're going to go up to the engine builders and see just how bad it is.